Hi there! For this tutorial, we're going to assemble the Quietfire pizza boxes. And all you have to do is cut it. And the one tool you'll need is a bone folder. So I sent out a lot of orders in pizza boxes over the years. So I just copied the design on the pizza box, more or less, and this is what you see here. Now what we're going to do is fold along all the score lines, and there are quite a lot of them. So let's get going. I'll be speeding this video up in places just so you're not bored out of your mind, but I'll slow it down for important parts. And one's coming up right here. There are two score lines very close together. So it really helps if you line up your ruler along the edge of the score line and then just roll the paper up against it, just like this. And when you think you're done, just double check to make sure that you have made all those score lines. And then we can put it together. So you're going to fold those tabs in like that, and the same ones at the front, just in front of those slots. Then you're going to roll this tab over, and those two tabs there go into those slots. And that's how a real pizza box looks. And then all you have to do is roll the top over into the bottom. Of course, if this was a real big cardboard box, then it would be stiffer and go together a little bit easier. But there it is, super cute. Now, what are you going to put in that pizza box? Well, I'm thinking chocolate, but you might have some other ideas. Now, a few years ago, I created this particular pizza box, and it's a bit different, and it also comes with a pinwheel design. It's still available as Silhouette, but now you have a tutorial for it. Thanks for watching. The link to Silhouette is in the description where you can pick up both pizza boxes and fill with whatever your heart desires. So happy creating. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.